Can you afford to appear as behind the times to your students, parents, teachers, and evaluators?
Or is it important to you to be perceived as successful, savvy, in tune with the trends as you get the Phonetic Speech Laboratory now for only 87,000 pesos monthly?
The thing, of course, is the speed at which the Phonetic Speech Laboratory works. It's rather remarkable that you can produce good speakers in 3 weeks or less, even if your students were coming from remote barangay high schools.
Guaranteed.
Produce fluent English speakers. Use the Phonetic Speech Laboratory.
Don't buy a speech laboratory unless it meets the following 3 criteria.
1. Teaching function.
2. Self-study function.
3. Examination function.
Remember, a speech laboratory without content is like a Bible without verses.
Pedagogical pronunciation lessons with modeling tools are preloaded and made available for you.
Modeling how phonetic sounds are produced and articulated.
Interactive phonetic drills.
Visual feedback with waveforms.
Minimum pair practice.
Role-playing and recording.
Bottomline had been installing speech laboratories since 1998. It has completed more than 100 installations in the Philippines and 5 installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Bottomline is expanding towards South and West Africa, the Middle East, and the countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN.
Teachers are amazed as they observe the following. 1. More students are beginning to become perceptive. 2. 50% of their students became fluent in just 3 weeks. 3. They put credit on the video pronunciation lessons that are preloaded in the Phonetic Speech Laboratory. Bottomline fabricates student cubicles for you on site.
Get the modern speech laboratory with cubicles that are ergonomically designed.
Bottomline surely completes installing your speech laboratory in 60 days. The best part is, you are covered by a 3-year warranty no matter what country you are situated.
Bottomline is proud to present its installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Veda Mtwara. Veda Lindi. Veda Mikumi.
Arusha Technical College.
Mwanza Regional Training College.
Presenting to you our recent list of happy and satisfied clients.
Our clients in the Philippines are mostly from private schools while there are a few from public schools.
Included in the list are the 5 colleges in Tanzania, East Africa.
Visit us online by typing in your browser, Bottomline Interactive Multimedia Speech Laboratory and Educational Technology, or call us at +63 082 221 5513. Or call us at +63 926 697 2659.
Call now.